Question number 5. This question is about sliding on an inclined plane. First, look at this thing, constant speed. It means the net force is 0. So we try to draw all the forces acting on the block. Friction, mg, and n. And these three forces joined together has 0 net force, so these three forces has to form a closed polygon, a closed triangle. And by geometry, you can realize this is theta, so this is theta. And you also remember F equals mu n. So look at this right angled triangle. Sine theta equals F over mg. Furthermore, F equals mu n. So move the sine to the right hand side and we have the arc sine. Of mu n over mg. So we got the answer, and the answer is D. Thank you.